This video will help explain how to access and understand your standards-based grade in Schoology and Skyward at Milton Middle School. The first thing that you need to understand are the 5 possible levels of proficiency that students can receive for a grade at Milton Middle School based on standards-based grading. These are the grades that you will see in Skyward when you pull up a student's gradebook. The highest level of proficiency is exceeding, followed by meeting, approaching, and beginning. There's also a category NA, which stands for not assessed at this time. This is used in instances when a standard is listed on a report card but was not assessed during that trimester grading period. Next, I'll explain the difference between Schoology and Skyward. Both programs are capable of reporting out grades, but the only program that we use for official grades at Milton Middle School is Skyward. Schoology is used mainly for students. Students can access class materials, download and submit their assignments, view their daily calendar, which is their online assignment notebook, and see updates posted by their teachers. Skyward should be used by both students and parents. This is where official grades are posted. In addition to official grades, you can also see basic information for a student, like their class schedule, their locker combination, and their busing information. But again, Skyward is where official grades are posted. So the question you might be wondering is, why do I see grades in Schoology and Skyward, and why do they not match up? The reason for this is because Schoology does not offer a standards-based grading rubric for teachers to use. The only way teachers can grade assignments in Schoology is by assigning point values to their assignments. Since standards-based grading does not use numbers, it becomes a bit confusing when trying to understand your grade. Because of this, teachers have gotten creative and created standards-based rubrics in Schoology using numbers to reflect the various standards-based grade proficiency levels. I'm going to further explain this by using the example pictured here to the right. Pictured here is a rubric of an assignment graded by a teacher in Schoology. The teacher created a rubric using the 5 proficiency levels discussed earlier in this video. Then, the teacher assigned a number to each level of proficiency. As you can see, a 4 was given for exceeding, a 3 for meeting, 2 for approaching, and 1 for beginning. The student here demonstrated a proficiency level of meeting on their assignment, so the teacher selected meeting in the rubric, which happened to be assigned to the number 3. If we were using percentages for grades, a 3 out of 4 would be a 75% or a C. But in standards-based grading, a proficiency level of meeting is what is expected for all students to achieve. Standards-based grades do not have percentage equivalents, so this leads to confusion. Take a look here on the screen. This is what the Schoology gradebook and the Skyward gradebook look like for the exact same student. On the left, their Schoology gradebook shows a random assortment of numbers and percentages that don't actually reflect the student's grade. On the right, you can see the student's standards-based grades in class, and it appears that they have earned a proficiency level of M or meeting on all of their assignments. This shows their proficiency level in the standards, not the Schoology gradebook. So let's get to the bottom of this. Where do we look for official grades? Your answer is Skyward. Skyward is going to show you a student's standards-based grades, and it'll also show you any missing work that a student has in their classes. Missing work is marked in Skyward with an asterisk. Schoology is where students should look to get feedback on a particular assignment from their teachers, but not for their official grades on any assignment. Those will be posted in Skyward. If you're wondering where missing work can be found in Skyward, the directions are posted here on the screen. Feel free to pause the video and follow through the directions to find any missing work posted in Skyward. Transitioning into standards-based grading has posed some unique challenges for teachers when it comes to utilizing these 2 main platforms. We hope this video helped clarify any confusion about how to access and understand standards-based grades in Schoology versus Skyward. If students need further help accessing their grades in Schoology or Skyward, they're welcome to talk to their classroom teachers, or they can also visit our Tech Help Desk located in the LMC.